Welcome, my name is Balazs and we are here with a beautiful new Alexa speaker by Harman. As you can see, it's a Harman Kardon speaker. It's a design that we all know and love, and if I touch the top it will play music because we have a playlist actually running right now, and on the top you have a touch play and pause button. What we also have is a microphone mute button, so I can just hit that and then Alexa is not listening at all. I'm not sure if the red is going away, but I think it stays red, so that's a little bit sad because you cannot change a pair app, the different light settings, anything like that, so always when Alexa is off it will glow red. You can also change the volume, so as you can hear the sound is not too loud right now, but I can change that by touch or by telling obviously Alexa to change the volume. Now the whole table is vibrating while the music is playing because we have a big bass speaker on the bottom, otherwise the 360 sound here all around is also quite amazing. But what's even more amazing as usual is that we have an Alexa here built in, so we can easily set different things up. For example, I can turn on that Dyson because we have a smart power plug connected to that. We have here a Nest. We could even change the TV to turn, or say tell the TV to turn on to go to Netflix, or we have actually lights here in this room, so let's start off with that to change the lights. Alexa, change lights to red.
Okay.
Alexa, change lights to white.
I don't know how to set all hue lights to that setting.
Alexa, change lights white.
Okay.
So sometimes it's not understanding us completely because she's not as smart as the Google Assistant yet, so we can not tell her full sentences usually, but you can learn pretty quickly what you can say. Alexa, turn Dyson on.
Okay.
You can see it turned on the bottom, and now we are getting some fresh air. But if that's not enough, Alexa, set room temperature to 25 degrees.
The heat's set to 25.
So now the heat is set to 25. It was on 18 before, as far as I know, and then we can do all kinds of other smart things with Alexa, like ask her how the weather is and so on and so on. But I think the Google Assistant is a little bit smarter. We have also by JBL, by Harman, Google Assistant speakers. They are called the Link 10 and 20 and 300. Check out also my video about those. Till then, my name is Balazs, and this was just a really short demo about this beautiful Harman Kardon speaker. Alexa, set volume to 1. So you can change the volume also from 1 to 10 to any degree, but you cannot say, for example, set the volume to 10% or 50%. She won't understand that. She will tell you to use numbers from 0 till 10. So thank you much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. This was just a really short demo of the brand new beautiful Harman Kardon speaker, which is not battery powered, but definitely needs a power plug, and Wi-Fi obviously has a nice look to it, and maybe it will be available in different colors. Also right now it's only sadly black. So thank you much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Balazs again, and see you guys around with more interesting videos.